What is happening, YouTubers? First of all, I want to say thank you. I'm at 100 plus subscribers and couldn't have done that without you guys. I don't do this for subscribers, otherwise I would have had 100 day one. There's all sorts of cheats, I'm sure, to do that. I just wanted to build a following from providing content. I think that's the better way to do things in life. Anyway, update on the old truck. Got the door panel back together. I just cleaned that wood up with this 303 protectant, because that's like vinyl right in there. And I did the wood. I was going to clear coat it. I'm like, oh, I'll just keep it 303 for now. Top of the door is a little, it's already chipped already, but I might do another coat. I'm going to put some grommets right there. Factory had like a little silver. Might do a little something. I ordered a metal one from Passenger. I already had the driver. So I got two metal ones now. I had them black. I had one black, one silver. And I think the silver I like better. I think because the truck's all black, it just looks better. So I'm going to do silver paint. The argent silver is the color. So this is silver. This stays chrome. Silver in there, and chrome again. So I'm going to tape off the outside. I don't have any tape to just do the pinstripe, so I'm just going to take some grease. It's going to be my little secret. See if that works. It should, right? And then, yeah, paint the whole grille. But also you can see that glare. This is nice chrome trim. I thought it had chrome here, but after sanding up, I don't see any. So I'm going to argent silver the whole inside as well. And I want $150 or no, 80 bucks, some ridiculous price for these. But I have a lot of friends, or you know, I could do artists. You know, called artists. You do things on their own, creative types. Maybe I'll paint the orange. I think it was orange or black. I'll have to look it up, see what it was this year. But, so that's my plan. I'm going to paint that stuff today. And cool. Thanks again, guys. Alright, I went ahead and took apart the grill. So I was missing a bunch of my tabs. Got those. I had ordered a headlight ring because it was missing a tab. But the one they got, it's deeper. I don't know why. They said it was proper for this year. I believe this is all original, of course. Let's see. So I got that. I gotta secure this trans cooler. It was in the way of the grill. And I made a spring. There's not much to see of it, but made a spring, yes. Took some mechanics wire, you put it on a drill and something round, and zzz, and you make a spring. That simple. Or you can go to the hardware store. So then found out this passenger side is plastic. This is the original metal. It didn't even dawn on me that they were metal. So now, of course, I really want to get a metal one on the passenger side. Anywho, that's it for now. Now I'm told with hydrogen peroxide and sunlight that'll take away the yellowing. So I'm going to wrap both these in wet rag, put it in the sun, and then I have a washer bottle to do too. This is the original metal. And let's get the sunlight. Looks like this was originally black, charcoal, silver, and then a black rim around it. The plastic one looked like it was silver inside. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this one flat black. And so put them on the truck and see what I like better. So I think guys do silver. I don't know, factory, it looks like it was black. See that? That'd be a nice contrast. Black, chrome, black, chrome. Yeah, that might look sharp, but I'll put that one on the truck. I'll put the grill back in, and just waiting on the headlight ring. Stupid little thing holding the headlight. And I'll put the grill back in. Back onto the wash bottle, full of bleach, a little bit of Comet. These I did hydrogen peroxide. This one got a little bit clearer, I would say. It's broken anyway, but that's hidden by the chrome trim. This is the right hand. Somebody had it on the right hand side, but the writing's upside down, so this was the left hand side. And I broke the tab. And this was my left one. Nothing will clear this up. This thing is aftermarket. I don't see any numbers on it. It also is a left. So I think I'm just going to get a pair of new ones. They seem to be back ordered, but whatever. I wonder if that one was orange and it faded to that, or it's just aftermarket. But hydrogen peroxide does a good job. Bleach is doing a good job on this too. I tried it on the outside with paper towels soaking in the sun. That's what makes the hydrogen peroxide work. And I put a little OxyClean in there. They said to do that. Somebody. But yeah, if you have a decent pair, I think it'll work. Doesn't get the paint off, over spray, but acetone will do that. Alright. And there she is, the washer jug cleaned up nice. I just did bleach. A little scrubbing here and there. Still a little yellowish, but it's bolted in. And I don't know where this strap came from, but it was sitting next to it in the garage. I don't remember picking it up, but it looks like it was made for that. I don't know. I don't remember. And I got the grill back in. I went ahead and ordered 2 new lights because that one just won't come back. This is the original metal, looks nice. But it was black. I don't know. Here's what I did the other side. I painted the other side black to get a feel for it. I can't really tell in this light, but it looks cool black. And I meant to go black, silver, black on the inside, but I did the opposite. Oh well. So I got the silver, I think it's called argent silver. I think that's what this was. And this was a decal, I believe. Let's see if I can find one of those. But coming together. Okay, got the new lenses, and I went ahead and painted the backs argent silver. Get some good reflection going on. Alright, we're out in the old paint booth today, laying down some silver, trying to get all these nooks and crannies looking good. Did the headlight buckets silver instead of black. Charcoal, I think they were factory. And then I had to touch up a little black because I tried my hand at just doing the lettering with white, and I got it all over the place. So we'll touch up with the black. Did I ever show that corner? How nice that came out? Jesus, man. All right. So changing on the oil today, and a little flat black touch up in here, just when that silver grill is in there. The contrast it's really gonna pop. And the grill is in, all painted. Housings, grill. Still gotta do the emblem. Get out of the shadow, Mike. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Just the rest of the truck. Maybe this area.